What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProstaVive before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProstaVive works. What is ProstaVive? ProstaVive is a dietary supplement designed to support prostate health. Made from a unique blend of natural, organic ingredients, it helps alleviate issues like frequent urination and discomfort. Its fast-acting formula promotes improved prostate function, better urine flow, and reduced discomfort. Produced in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility, ProstaVive is free from synthetic additives, GMOs, and harmful chemicals, offering a safe and natural choice for prostate health. How ProstaVive works for prostate health? ProstaVive focuses on improving blood flow around the prostate, which is key to maintaining its proper function. The buildup of certain cells around the prostate can lead to discomfort and frequent urination. ProstaVive helps break down these cells